For Polaris, we have jersey number 2, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 8, and number 15. Ayan. Alright.
For the support.
First service goes to BU Zephyr, team captain number 13 on the service line. Nalo. Buhay na. Down by Raba. Stop. Binigay sa Polaris. Namora sets it to Duelo. And scores the first point for SU Polaris. Serving for SU Polaris, we have number 8, Daryl Duero.
Sobra demonyo kahapon, okay.
Good serve. And finish. Second point for Duero and Polaris. Still serving, Daryl Duero. Outside, and that point goes to BU Zephyr. Our score is now 2-1, 1 point lead for the Griffins. Now serving for BU Zephyr, Baldao. Good serve. Ball still alive. Baldao sets it. Before, outside. Point goes to SU Polaris. Serving for Polaris, Kenneth Namora. Good serve. Polaris gives the chance ball to Polaris. Namora sets it. Net touch. Committed by BU Zephyr. Point goes to SU Polaris. Our score is now 4-1, 3-point lead for the Griffins. Still serving, Kenneth Namora. With a good serve. Better reception for Zephyr this time. Polaris with a hit. Ball still alive. Eva. It's outside. Point goes to BU Zephyr. Serving for BU Zephyr, Austin. Outside. Point goes to BU Zephyr. BU Austin Polaris. Ano ba talaga? Serving for Polaris, Reyes. Polaris with the reception. Chance for Polaris. And that's a miscommunication error committed by Polaris. Point goes to BU Zephyr. Now serving for BU Zephyr, we have Polaris. Good serve. There with the reception, Namora sets it, Eva with a hit, and it's inside. Point goes to SU Polaris. Our current score is now 6-3, 3-point lead for the Griffins. Now Eva will serve. Serving face. Wow. Good serve. Polaris sets it to Rodriguez, and scores a point for BU Zephyr. Serving for Zephyr, Dennis Alas. Duero with hit and finds a hole in the back row. Point goes to SU Polaris. Griffins now is a 3-point lead again, 7-4. Serving for Polaris team captain, Jomel Bananas. Good serve. Polaris with the reception. Donago sends it to Rodriguez. Rodriguez with a hit. Ball still alive. Now Mora sends it to Duero. Drops the ball, but it's not enough to cross over to the goal. Well, never seen how to do. Point goes to BU Zephyr. Serving for BU Zephyr. Hindi ko alam. Duero with the hit, fakes do, Polaris was there. Ball still alive. Yes, Nomora, Duero again, blocked. Ball is still alive. Nomora sets it. Duero again, now with a drop. And now goes there, Pelaez. Rodriguez drops the ball and scores a point for Biazeki. Our first scores now 7-6. Polaris now only has a 1 point lead. Wow, balik ang drama. Zephyr with the service. Nomora, Pedrero again. But this time scores a point for Polaris. Serving for SU Polaris, Paloma. Good serve. And that was two on Rodriguez. Rodriguez will make do, but it goes out. Point goes to SU Polaris. Griffiths now has a 3-point lead against Zephyr, 9-6. And Napa will still serve. Another good serve. Pelaez was there. Baldago to Rodriguez. And scores a point with an attack. Attack point. Wow, nang sinabi. Attack point lang naman. Rodriguez for the service. Good serve. Nomora to Reyes. Ball's alive, but not for long. Point goes to SU Polaris. Our current score is now 10-7. 3-point advantage for the Griffins. Serving for Polaris, Darren Guerrero, number 8. Good serve. It's an ace for Darren Guerrero of Polaris, 11-7. Second service ace for the set. For Darren Guerrero, and he's still on service line. Second service error as well for Darren Guerrero. Serving for BU Zephyr, Baldago, number 17. Good serve. Better reception from Bananas, and Eva will hit, but it goes out. Point goes to BU Zephyr. Still serving for BU Zephyr, Mara Baldago. From serve. Chance for BU Zephyr, Baldago, Pelaez in the middle, and it's inside! Point goes to BU Zephyr. Polaris only has a 1-point lead against BU Zephyr, 11-10. Still surfing for BU Zephyr, Mara Baldago. Good serve. Nomora to Reyes in the middle. Ball still alive. Chance for the SU Polaris. Nomora to Reyes again. Back. Set to Pelaez. And that's a point for BU Zephyr. We are tied to 11. Still serving for BU Zephyr, number 17, Mara Baldago. Good serve. Better reception from Eva this time. Eva will try. Or touchless. Point goes to SU Polaris. Serving for SU Polaris, number 2, Kenneth Nomora. Drop serve, Pelaez was there. Baldago, Pelaez in the middle, drops the ball. Blocked. Again, this time for Ostiel. Not over. Point goes to SU Polaris. Score is now 30-11, 2-point advantage for Polaris. Nomora will still serve. Pelaez, reception. And there's the ride. And that's a point for SU Polaris. That's inside. still serving. Let's serve again. Better reception coming in from center this time, but they will give a chance ball to Polaris. Canones to Reyes. There's a check. Point goes to SU Polaris. Our current score is now 15 to 11. 4-point advantage for SU Polaris. Still serving, Kenneth Namora. It's an ace for Kenneth Namora. Timeout for BU Zephyr. Still serving for SU Polaris, Kenneth Namora. Good serve. And another ace for Kenneth Namora. Good serve again. Pelaez with a better reception this time. Rodriguez to Pelaez. Block. Iron Reyes with a block point this time, 18 to 11. Still serving for SU Polaris, Kenneth Namora. Rodriguez sets it to Pelaez. And that's a point for BU Zephyr. Lucky break for them. Serving for BU Zephyr, Austin. Good reception coming from Polaris. Reyes drops the ball. Pelaez was there. Back to Polaris. Namora. This time to Eva. Drops again. Roldan is there. Pelaez with a hit. Raguero was there to save it. Reyes will try. Blocked. Ball still alive. Canones to Eva. Net touch. Point goes for SU Polaris. Now serving for SU Polaris, Iron Reyes. Valdado to Rodriguez. Hit from Zephyr. Reyes was there. Namora to Eva. Combination finish. All still alive. Canones. Pumata. Reginald Gigel goes long. Point goes to BU Zephyr. Our current score is now 19-13, 6-point lead for Polaris. Pelaez will now serve for BU Zephyr. Namora to Canones, drops the ball. Pelaez was there to save the day. Namora, this time to Eva. Pelaez is everywhere, wow! Sayang naman. Not over, point goes to SU Polaris. Score is now 20-13, 7-point advantage for SU Polaris. Serving for Polaris, Ian Jasper Eva. Pelaez with the reception, Maldonado to Rodriguez. Eva was there, Namora to Guerrero. And scores a point for SU Polaris. May kasamang away yung kasi. Dapat na may country yung susunod na. Still serving, Ian Jasper Eva. Pelaez to Maldonado, Maldonado to Roldan. Not over, point goes to SU Polaris. Still serving, Ian Jasper Eva, Lavanita. Pelaez over receive. And that's a gift for Jamel Pelaez, team captain of Polaris. Score is now 23-13, 10-point lead for the Griffins. Biggest lead so far this game. And Eva will serve. Pelaez for the reception. Maldonado sends it over to Pelaez. There with a hit. And that's outside. One at the top from number 8, Daryl Rivero, and that will set them to 24-13 set point. Eva will still Manones. Pelaez was there. Baldago. This time to Roldan. There's a check. Point goes to BU Zephyr. 1 set point saved. Serving for Zephyr Roldan. There with the reception, Namora tumapain the middle. Soft hit. Baldago. This time to Rodriguez. Emma was there. Vero. And that's it for the first set. Congratulations. BU or SU players for winning first set 25-4. The Griffins successfully got the first set. Will it continue for this one? We'll find out. First service goes to SU Polaris with Darren Dwelling and service. It's right. Baldago with a receive. Rodriguez for Austin. Not over. Point goes to SU Polaris. Still serving for SU Polaris. Darren Dwelling. From serve. It's an ace. Point goes to Polaris. Still serving for Polaris, Darren Duero. Another good serve. Well done, the reception. Pelaez to Rodriguez. Paula was there. And this time Rodriguez in the middle. And scores the point for SU Polaris. Still serving for Polaris, number 8, Duelo. Pelaez with a better reception this time. Baldago, Rodriguez, not over. Point goes to SU Polaris. Our first scores now through 4-0. Duelo still serving. We got now serve, it's an ace again for Duelo. Still serving, Darren Duero. Well done. Another service ace for Duero. Grabe. Tatlong service ace agad for this set. Still serving, Darren Duero. Good reception this time from Zephyr. Rodriguez with a hit. Paula upstairs. Emma with a hit. Pelaez, perfect save. Oh. Hindi daw na si Vero still on the service line for the 7th time. This time it goes out. Point goes to BU Zephyr. Serving for BU Zephyr, Rodriguez. Service for Rodriguez. Point goes to BU Zephyr. Still serving for BU Zephyr, Jonathan Rodriguez. Duero with the reception. Namora today. Second middle, drops the ball. Rodriguez is there. Baldago this time to I don't know who hit that. Namora to Eva. Roldan with a kick. Baldago takes the ball. That's out. Tumama na po sa bubong. Serving for SU Polaris number 2, Philip Namora. It's outside. Point goes to BUZFU. Still with the serve. Namora. No one was there to hit the ball. Point goes to BUZFU. Scores now 8-4. 4-point advantage for SU Polaris. Serving for BUZFU, Austin. And the ace, no, the ball's to the line. Crosses the ball again. Namora. Chance ball for BUZFU. Baldago, this time to Pelaez. Guerrero was there, dog, balls to the line. Pelaez gives a free ball to Zephyr. Baldago to Pelaez again. Soft touch this time. Guerrero. Ayun, dalawang beses din tinouch. Touch. Oh, kumanta siya. Now serving for Zephyr Austin. Namora to Reyes. Austin was there. Reyes this time to Guerrero from the back row, but it's not over. Point goes to BUZFU. Polaris only now has a 2-point lead against Zephyr 8-6. And Austin is still serving. Reyes. Namora to Canones. Pelaez with a dig. Rodriguez to Pelaez. Napa with a dig. Fry! Ayun na! Napasigaw ang commentator sa miscommunication nyo. Sayang madig. Serving for SU Polaris, Ino Reyes. Still with a good reception this time. Baldago to Pelaez in the middle. There will be a check, and point goes to BUZFU. Serving for BUZFU, Baldago. Good serve. Guerrero with the reception. Namora to Eva with a hit. Soft touch. Pelaez. Not over. Point goes to SU Polaris. Serving for SU Polaris, Ian Jasper Eva. Hold the reception to the side of Zephyr this time. Austin will give a free throw. Reyes. Namora. Guerrero. Ball is still live. Dog by Austin. Chance for BUZFU. Regalo para sa Polaris. Miscommunication on the part of Zephyr. That's a point for SU Polaris. Our current score is now 11-7 in favor of SU Polaris. Serving Ian Jasper Eva. Serve space for Eva. Ayun, lumang. Sana hindi siya may-yellow card, no? Still serving Ian Jasper Eva. Another good serve. Baldago, this time to Pelaez. It's inside. What an attack from Leo Pelaez. Serving for BUZFU, Leo Pelaez. Eva with the reception, Namora to Guerrero. Buhay pa, grabe! Sabay! This time, Guerrero scores goal for SU Polaris. Serving for SU Polaris team captain, Jomel Manones. Pelaez, perfect reception. Baldago, Madelas Alas. Iro is there. Namora to Guerrero again. And fires a goal at the back row of BU Zephyr. Point goes to SU Polaris. Still serving for SU Polaris. Gigante. It's out. Point goes to BU Zephyr. Score is now 14-9. 5-point lead for the Griffins. Serving for BU Zephyr, well done. Manones with the reception. Namora, Paula will give a free ball. Pelaez, Mondago sends it to Rodriguez. And there's a check. Point goes to BU Zephyr. 14-10 now, everyone. 4-point lead for the Griffins. Roldan will still serve for BU Zephyr. Service error. Point goes to SU Polaris. Serving for SU Polaris, John Paul Mata. Polaris with the reception. Baldago to Rodriguez, drops the ball. Namora, Manones to Burrow. Rodriguez again, but this time it goes long. Mapa with the service. Rodriguez to Ostil. Reyes will try, blocked. Guerrero will try. Provides an attack point for SU Polaris. Our score is now 17-10. 7-point lead for SU Polaris. Paula Mapa still serving. Baldago to Pelaez from the back row. Paula was there. Reyes, not over. Point goes to BU Zephyr. Serving to Las Alas. Reyes with a hit. And there will be a check. One attack from Reyes. Point goes to SU Polaris. Serving for Polaris, Darren Guerrero. Polaris with the reception, Baldago with the hit. Or Rodriguez with the hit rather, and scores a point for BU Zephyr. Serving for BU Zephyr, Rodriguez. Manones with the reception, Reyes. Battle on the net. Ball still alive. Roldan, Rodriguez. Baldago will give a free ball to Zephyr, to Polaris. Emma. Pelaez was there. Mara. The player. Paula. And that's a point for BU Zephyr. Grabe, habang serving for BU Zephyr, John Paul Rodriguez. Manones with the reception. Namora will set it to Guerrero. And there will be a check. Point goes to SU Polaris. Our score is now 19-13. 6-point lead for SU Polaris rather. Serving for SU Polaris number 2, Kenneth Lamore. Rodriguez with the reception, Ostil will send it to Pelaez. There will be a check, and that point goes to BU Zephyr. Serving for Biusecker Ostil. Amora sets it to Alones Colons will give a free goal. Maldado to Pelaez, but it goes in. Point goes to SU Pelaez. Scores now 20-14. 6-point lead for the Griffins. Still serving, or now serving, Iron Reels. Maldado wants to play, and that works for Biusecker. Serving, Myra Maldado. Good serve, Mapa was there, and there's miscommunication on the part of Polaris. Point goes to Biusecker. Down to a 4-point lead, 20-16, and Maldado will still serve. Duero with the reception. Maldado. This time to Pelaez, but it's not over. Point goes to BSU Polaris. Now serving for Polaris, number 15, Ian Jasper Eva. Good serve. Rodriguez with the reception. Maldado. Rodan. Soft touch. And it's in. Point goes to SU Polaris. Substitution for Polaris, number 2 out, number 9 in. Another substitution for Polaris, number 1 in, number 13 out. Still serving, Ian Jasper Eva. Short serve, and that's an ace! Ay, wait ko lang pa to. Out na. Pasabot. Still serving, Ian Jasper Eva. Maldado, this time to Pelaez. Ay! Miscommunication on side of Biusecker. Mandy. Inba.
Kaya na, kaya.
Kaya.
Ako yung pag-subject.
Still serving, Ian Jasper Eva. Match point everyone, 24-16. Pelaez. And that's it for our game. Congratulations. Congratulations, SV players, for winning this match against Biusecker, 25-16. And thank you so much, Biusecker, for showing up and showing sportsmanship for today's match. Walang alis dahil may basketball game po tayo mamayang 2:50.